Hi all. Let's look at how we compute YTM, that is yield to maturity in case of a bond in Excel. Now, what information we have is that the par value or principal value or face value of the bond is given to be 1000. Coupon rate is given to be 6%. Since it's a semi-annual bond, that means the coupon payout will be twice a year. The maturity of the bond is given to be 10 years and the market price of the bond is given to be 1100. Now, if we talk about the future value, that is FV, it's going to be the par value because at the time of maturity, principal payment happens to the investor. That's why it's a positive value. Similarly, if we look at present value, it's going to be negative 1100, which is the market price because that's a payout by the person who buys the bond. Number of payments is going to be 20 as it is a semi-annual bond and the maturity is given to be 10 years. While we look at the payment, that is PMT, how we can determine is the coupon rate is given to be 6%. So 6% multiplied by 1000, that is the par value, divided by 2 as it's a semi-annual coupon payment. Now, if we have to determine YTM, what we can do is we can use the rate function. So firstly, number of payments is given to be 20 here. PMT, that is the payment that we have determined from the par value and coupon rate, 30. Present value is minus 1100 and future value is 1000. So what we get is 2%. Now we add the decimals to this, it's coming out to be 2.37. But this is a semi-annual one. If we have to determine YTM annually, that is yield to maturity annually, we take this value and multiply this with converting that to percentage. This is the annual computation of YTM or yield to maturity using rate function in Excel. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for your time.